Todd here. Press subscribe for more videos. Round and about Cornwall. Big, quite big waves crashing against the wall there. Getting some people wet in St Ives. I think I'm alright where I am, I think. There is the beautiful harbour of St Ives on a late November day. Ooh. Beautiful scenery over there. We can see the lighthouse at can't believe it, my brain has forgotten the name of the lighthouse, even though I've been there many. Gwithian, over at Gwithian. And Hale is over there. Press subscribe for more videos of Cornwall. Over and out.